Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. सबसे पहले तो I haven't read Fantastic Beasts because I was like, I don't want to dilute my Harry Potter experience. I am a real fan. And now I'm kicking myself. What a great story, yaar. Set in 1926 New York, British wizard Newt Scamander is in America with a briefcase full of magical creatures. Newts are a type of salamander. This dude is called Newt Scamander. No relationship to nastily exhausting visiting tests at Hogwarts. The Newts? What a great name. Anyway, Newt is in the US and his case gets mixed up with a no-mag's case. What is a no-mag? A non-magic person. Muggles को no-mag कहते हैं अमेरिका में. Now, when the creatures are accidentally set loose, Newt teams up with said no-mag, Jacob Kowalski, to locate them all. Joining them in these adventures are sisters Tina and Queenie.
Lost something I'm going to help him find.
One a disgraced aura, the other a legilimens. Legilimens are people who can read minds. Yes, finally a fantasy universe I can debate you guys about. Which brings me to my next more important point. Please don't think you won't be able to understand the film if you haven't followed the Harry Potter series. Fantastic Beasts is a whole different, beast. And almost all references are explained because from what I hear, this is going to be a trilogy. So they can't possibly only cater to people who followed the last 8 films. Admittedly, us Harry Potter fans will very annoyingly keep saying things like, oh, that's a Niffler. Oh my god, they're going to totally obliviate him. Oh, so this is where Murtlap essence comes from. Please ask us to shut up because all these are explained in the movie and you don't want a smug know-it-all sitting next to you, do you? Sorry. Oscar winner Eddie Redmayne is Newt Scamander and he's doing the same face twitchy thing I've come to associate with him, especially after his performances in The Theory of Everything, The Danish Girl. But that particular itsy-bitsy annoyance was quickly replaced with a very strong desire to run alongside with him and save the visiting world. I, for the life of me now, cannot imagine another actor doing this part the kind of justice Eddie Redmayne has done. Katherine Waterston, although looks adorable, but in my no-mag opinion, suffers from what I call the Emma Watson syndrome. Naam bhi similar hai dono ke. Waterston, Watson. Both these women, although wonderful, have a constantly worried, no chill look on their face, which may be necessary for the character, but makes you want to drag them off by the hand and make them sit in a corner until you're done sorting shit out. Itna stress mat do na mere ko. Colin Farrell bhi hai yahan. He plays a high-ranking MACUSA official. MACUSA manje Magical Congress of the United States of America. And Colin Farrell is sporting this fantastic pompadour, which makes one think, wow, the 20s were very stylish. Yeah, Mr. Graves is a time traveler. Wow. Did I just create fanfic? Johnny Depp is Gellert Grindelwald. That is all I should be saying really. Uske aage spoiler ho jayega. But oh my god, 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 oh my god. You know what is exciting? When two fantasy worlds come together. What if I tell you the Harry Potter universe might be overlapping with the, wait for it, DC universe? Well, I'd be lying. But not entirely. Ezra Miller plays the Flash in the upcoming Justice League. And here he's seen playing Credence Barebone, a troubled young man who might or might not be magic, but is a certified pain in the ass. Yes, there is too much going on. There's lots of people, lots of new terms, a completely different world. But let me tell you this, a little splashy sploshy the screenplay might be, but the minute you hear this music, everything just makes perfect sense. On a scale of 1 to 10, Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them is 70 years before Harry attends Hogwarts, this story takes place. Wingardium Leviosa. What are your favorite Harry Potter spells? Why don't you leave me a comment and let me know? And subscribe to Film Companion to Alohomora your film fix.